Hello and welcome to All Tastes German. In this video I will show you how to make a German cheese dip with Brats. This German favorite is a great appetizer or the perfect dish for a game night. Okay, let's get started. First, dice the bacon and the onion finely. Melt the butter in a cast iron skillet and fry the bacon and the onion cubes over medium heat until translucent. Add the mustard and the honey and stir well. Then add the beer or apple cider, stir well and let the mixture simmer until almost all liquid is evaporated. In the meantime, you can cut the brats and the green onions into fine slices. Now stir in the milk and heavy whipping cream. Add the cream cheese and stir occasionally until the cream cheese is completely melted. This will take about 5 minutes. Add about 3/4 of the shredded cheddar to the skillet. Stir well until the cheese is completely melted. Add the brats and mix them well into the cheese mixture. Let it simmer for about 2 minutes. Add the remaining cheddar and the green onions on top and serve it hot in the skillet. This recipe is an absolute crowd pleaser, especially if you serve it with homemade pretzel bites. You will find the links to the recipes like always in the description below the video. Guten Appetit!